Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show how to convert FBX animation clip into Unity animation clip. Created the path and attached sphere into with the motion constraint. So it's I taken this animation and I exported as a FBX file. Imported animation FBX file into Unity. So basically why we need to convert Maya animation clip FBX clip into Unity clip. So there is some benefit you will get. So one thing is you can access the properties. So I will show you like just I drag and drop here and I'm opening animation timeline. So here you can see it's read only. It means you can't edit anything from here. You can't access these properties. So to make it accessible, you need to convert this FBX clip into Unity animation clip. So once you converted Unity animation clip, you can access the properties. You can add some properties like VFX properties, or you can access some position values through code, like you can manipulate that. So there is a lot of feature you can get it. So basically the same object can be animated in Unity also, but sometimes some complex animation it will take time. I'll show you how to convert this clip. It's a pretty easy. So just going to clip here FBX in a project directory. So when I expand this, you can see this clip take 001. So this clip can be select the clip, Control D for duplicate. So when you do that, automatically these clips come out from the FBX file. So now this is Unity animation clip. So when I select this, you can see the read only is not there. So there is no read only option. So now you can edit this key like you can select, you can delete the key. So now how to get this on animation? So now if I select this, so in the controller if you open, so I'm using the clip from the FBX file. So instead of using a clip from FBX file, I'll switch to this. So later you can, once you convert that, later you can export without animation, only the object you can export. So go to scene view. Now if I play, so the animation is there, whatever I did in Maya, the animation is there. So now suppose here I want to change the graph, or I want to add some let's just try some just for demo purpose. So I can go to curve editor, so I can select, so this is the curve now. So I can clean up this here also. The same thing can be done Maya also, or here also you can do, but once you convert, you have more facility, more option to do, like so you can edit, or you can add a key, you can do the change if you want. So basically we need the same result, but adding something like, suppose we want to add a scale parameter here, I can add now. Scale, so I can animate now scale, like turning on this auto key and going at the end. So here, so basically I want to make it like a 2 and from beginning I'll start from just trying 0. Okay, so now if you see, the object is scaling from, it's very small, so let's see now. Okay, so now we can see this. Or I can increase the scale, like overall it's looking very small, so I want to increase this. I can select this 3 and I can select all. I can move it up, so it's so from here okay, instead of start from 0, just I started to make it visible. You can do a lot of the same, like you can change the graph. You can select and change to auto. You can make it flat. Now you can see it's I think you got the idea. Thanks for watching.